If your manager asks you to create salary slip in PDF before lunch, instead of creating every salary slip one by one, I wrote a VBA macro, one click, and Excel automatically generated all the salary slip as a PDF. Comment salary slip and I'll share the VBA link. Here we have the complete employee data, and on the second sheet we have the salary slip format or template. Now let's add our VBA code. Go to the developer tab and click Visual Basic. Now we'll insert three new modules. Since I have already written the VBA code in Notepad, I'll simply copy and paste it. Let's repeat the same process for the other two modules. Just copy and paste the code. That's it. Now close the VBA editor. Next, let's create our magic button. To do that, go to the Insert tab, select rounded rectangle and place it anywhere on the worksheet. Format the button however you like. Then give the name Create Salary Slip. Now let's assign the macro to the button. To do that, right click the button, select Assign Macro and choose the macro we just created. Now watch the magic. Click the button and all the salary slips will be generated automatically. It will take just few seconds to create all PDF files. You can even watch them being created live. The PDF files will be saved in the same folder where your Excel workbook is located. As you can see, all the salary slip PDF are being generated automatically. Now let's check whether salary slip is matching with the raw data or not. All data is correct. So, if you found this video is helpful, do not forget to follow our page and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video.